Hey, it's Troy, and thank you so much for taking a few minutes to watch this video and for visiting my channel. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you something that I really wish that I knew many years ago when I got started online. And I don't know if you could relate. Maybe you've had one of those moments too where you said, if I only knew then what it is that I know now. So I'm going to talk really briefly about this brand new program at the time of me shooting this video that came about maybe a month ago. I've actively been promoting this for 2 weeks, and I'm going to share with you what List Ladder is really about and why this is different from any other free to join program that you maybe have ever been involved in. Look, I work 100% remotely from home. I do this for a living. I've helped a lot of people make money online. So bear with me just for a few minutes. Watch this video through to the end and just let me know, does this make sense? Drop me a comment once you finish watching this video. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know if what I'm sharing with you makes sense. So here's what it is that most people do, and I think they do this especially on social media incorrectly. You join a new business, you're really excited, you can't wait to share this with all of your connections. Some of you have 1,000, 2,000, right? 5,000 people that you're connected to and more. Well, here's the problem, and we can't sugarcoat this. Those people that you're connected to, what is it that you all have in common? You all have a work from home business. So the overall goal is to pique enough curiosity so that people take an interest in wanting to see your video. And if you have something that is value based, you're going to end up getting some sales, right? People are going to join you. But the percentage of people that actually get signups this way is realistically around 2%. So this is the reason why most people do not make any real money online. In fact, most people don't ever make money online because they're leading with their business to people that already have businesses. Let me know in the comments if that makes sense. So here's how you fix it. You promote something for free on the front end, like List Ladder, and then on the back end, you actually promote your BizOp. Right? I hope that makes sense, because when they see List Ladder, when they join as a free member and they see how much value is in this program and in the back office, they're going to be blown away. They're going to know you as someone that has, great products, great services, and they will be able to see whatever it is that you're currently promoting on the back end. So here's what happens. People come on board as a free member. I've actively been promoting this for 2 weeks. When people join List Ladder, and this is another thing that's really, really unique. When people join List Ladder, here's what makes this different from other free programs that you maybe have tried in the past. With most programs, if you are a premium or pro level or whatever level member, right, you paid money and you moved up from free. With most programs, the majority of people that join them are free members and they don't do anything. You as a premium member, you as a sponsor, you don't ever really benefit from those free members, right? The only people that you really benefit from are people that actually upgrade. With List Ladder, it's different and it's a win-win. You really can't lose because free members are generating free leads for themselves, but they are also passing up leads to you. That's why I call this a win-win. So this is the reason why people can join List Ladder, and within a couple of weeks they've got 5 personal signups, and a couple of weeks later they end up with 200 leads, 300 leads, right? There's people that got into this thing when it first started that have already surpassed over 1,000 leads. Think about that. You didn't buy premium traffic. You weren't on these sites where all they were doing is just sharing bot traffic with you, in somebody's solo ad offer. So I'm in my back office right now of List Ladder, and in the 2 weeks that I've been actively promoting this, I currently have 10 teammates and 6 of them upgraded, right? So My percentage of upgraded members is at 60% currently. Now, that is a lot higher than what most people are used to when it comes to joining free BizOps, right? It's a lot higher. Should you decide to join me once this video is over, and I'm going to tell you what you need to do in the next minute or two, should you decide to join me, I am going to be sharing with you exactly what it is that I'm doing to get a much, much higher percentage of people to upgrade than most. So the $25 level, it is very affordable, by most people's standards. Um, I love the fact that there are multiple ways that you can get paid from this, right? There's a lot of upfront bonuses. Well, first 2 weeks in, I made $75, right, upfront. Obviously, I'm not going anywhere. If you are a premium member, you invested $25 and you end up making 75 or 100, right? You're not going anywhere, and that's what you want for your team. I should also mention, if you come down here and you look at the monthly commissions, in 2 weeks I'm already at $30 a month. Now you might be saying, well, that's not really a lot. Well, it's a $25 a month program, so understand I am already in profit, which basically means that I'm able to promote this offer for free. So here's what you do when you first enroll. You're going to log into your back office. If you don't have your admin credentials, just go to listladder.com. You're going to click on Getting Started Right. When you click on this button, it's going to take you to this page, right? You're going to watch this video, and what I love about this is that they have an actual daily checklist that you can follow so that you can reap the rewards and just, stay active. You're going to get some complete email marketing 101 training, phenomenal training. You're going to learn how to market for free, right? These strategies and methods work. You're also going to get a daily activity, a daily action plan, and we have weekly live events that you can join and participate in, weekly live training events. So here's what you need to do next. On this channel, I need you to go click on the links. You're going to see several links. Click on that. Look for the one that says List Ladder, right? It'll also say free leads and be able to join. And I strongly encourage you to become premium members. If not, no worries about it. But you're definitely going to want to be able to be a premium member because that's how you make money with this program. Thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, it's Troy. I look forward to working with many of you. Go ahead, click the links on my channel now. Have an awesome day.